Okay, hello everybody, I'm Sergey, I'm from Tech, and today we're going to talk about how ransomware attacks our computer. So yeah, I'll explain how exactly does it work and how does it start it. So most ransomware attacks start with phishing, weak password, or may misconfigure internet-facing service like RDP. After getting access, the attacker runs a code that gives them the ability to execute a command to move inside your computer. Before encrypting started, most ransomware familiar contact with the attacker server, the command and control server, to receive keys and tools to encrypt your files. So this stage where the ransomware encrypts these files, going to folder by folder and generating encryption versions. And after encryption, the ransomware notes appear and demanding payment or to restore your files. Suspicious logs, new process executed, and file changes, and high disk activity and connection with uncommon servers. This stuff that you can see happen in your computer once the ransomware starts working. Early detection, blocking, and suspicion process, and isolating the machine and restoring file from breakup. It's the way to stop the attacker from gaining access and controlling your computer. If you want me to do a video about SOX detecting ransomware in real time, and leave me a comment, and or maybe I will do a full demonstration how ransomware works in a VM, so we can see actually what's happening and how we can identify that in real time. So give me a like, share and subscribe, and maybe I will do a full video about how ransomware exactly works, and maybe we'll try to download the malicious file and do it inside the VM, but it's kind of scary to do it. So if you like, give us a like, share, and see you in the next one.